to become healthier and fitter. Hit the subscribe button और notifications on करना मत भूलना.
When we come to the last section, doctor, this is where we call it, I'm sure you've seen Coffee with Karan, the rapid fire round, or you're familiar with the concept. So this is where we do an expert version of it. I would like you to become a little alert and be ready to answer the impact of these particular words that I'm going to share with you on skin. So the first thing that comes to your mind when I share these words with you in relation to skin health is what you have to tell me. Are the rules clear?
All right. All
Okay.
right.
Okay. So let's start. So the first word is collagen. So what do you think it is, and what is the first thing that comes to your head in your brain when we talk about skin health?
So collagen is something that is very important to maintain the skin tightness and suppleness. Okay, and with age we start losing collagen. It degenerates. So sometimes taking a supplement of collagen to replenish the collagen that we are losing with age is good. It does help to maintain the softness, the suppleness, the tightness of the skin.
Okay, great. Next word is sun exposure.
So sun exposure, is important. Sun exposure gives you vitamin D, but you should expose yourself to not very harsh sun in the daytime. Maybe in evening time sun or something, and it can definitely it has a role in early aging. We call it photo aging. It leads to it can lead to a rash. It can lead to aging signs early. So sun protection is very important. Using a good SPF sunscreen which suits your skin. Broad spectrum SPF is sunscreen is very important, and application at least 15 minutes before stepping out.
Very well said, doctor. Okay, next word, hydration.
So hydration is keeping yourself body hydrated. Keeping your body hydrated is important for your body as well as skin. It removes the toxins from the body. So having at least 8 to 10 glasses of water or about 1.2 to 2 liters of water a day is very important to keep yourself hydrated and your skin looking nice and shiny.
Noted. I've added that to my points because I know that's something which my mom has been after my life for as well. Okay, next word is wrinkles.
So wrinkles are a sign of aging. It's a sign of your but early appearance of wrinkles makes you look elder to you what you are more aged. So starting a good anti-aging cream at the time is very important. Also wrinkles are appearing early because we use a lot of gadgets. We squint at those gadgets. We use all these muscles, and these and if you're going out in the sun without sunglasses also, you start squinting in the sun. So these also lead to early appearance of wrinkles. So you have to take care of these, that movement of muscles also appears leads to early wrinkles. Bad dietary choices, bad lifestyle choices also lead to early appearance of wrinkles. So you have to counter all these so that you look healthy and vibrant for a longer time.
No, I think again, that's so important. Okay, next word is alcohol and smoking.
So alcohol, alcohol dehydrates your skin. When you take alcohol, it leads to dehydration. So it leads to a very dry skin. Also, when we take alcohol in little quantities, it leads to a little redness, a little, we say, glow eye, and flushing of the skin. But if you keep taking it, it can at one point in time lead to a continuous erythema, continuous redness on the skin, which is very difficult to then go back. So limited quantities, limited usage is important. It is not good for the skin.
And
And
smoking.
smoking, again, smoking leads to blood vessel constriction. It leads to ischemia. So again, the nutrition does not reach the skin. So you end up with a dull, sallow skin. Also, smoking, nicotine and smoking and tobacco on their own cause oxidative stress. They lead to a lot of free radical formation, which damages the skin. Degenerative changes appear. You appear wrinkled, and while smoking, you use these lines a lot, the mouth, the lines around the lips also start appearing early. So you start appearing uh, elder to what you are, so aged very soon. So smoking is a big no.
And alcohol should be controlled. Though I know it's a lifestyle choice as well. A
Hmm.
lot of youngsters do it as well. I think eventually it's about आप कितनी quantity में करते हो. मैं
And how
ये
frequent, I guess.
exactly. The last is junk food.
So again, junk food, like we talked earlier, a lot of junk food is that, high glycemic index, which some food that gives you that increases your sugar very fast, very soon. So if you keep having junk food in large quantities day after day, it is going to lead to, pre-diabetic conditions, and it is going to lead to, hormonal changes, which lead to acne, rosacea, psoriasis also. So limiting junk food is the key. You should have it as a treat, maybe once a week, at maximum twice a week for yourself, but not make it a daily routine. You should not have these, junk food every day.
डॉक्टर आई कांट थैंक यू इनफ एक्चुअली क्योंकि
Thank you so much.
आपने इतना वैल्यूबल कॉन्वर्सेशन बिल्ड करी है हमारे साथ एवरीथिंग दैट यू सेड वाज सो इंसाइटफुल was so important and I think this 1 year has been so stressful in so many different ways pollution hai lifestyle hai so much screen time hai so I think it is definitely the right time to take better care of our skin and especially I would like to thank you for also highlighting the nutritional importance of skin health as well क्योंकि अगर हम अपनी स्किन का बाकी ऑर्गन्स की तरह ध्यान नहीं देखेंगे तो अगर हम अपनी स्किन का बाकी ऑर्गन्स की तरह ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो देन इवेंचुअली इट विल डिजेनरेट एंड एज यू सेड इट्स अ लाइफ लॉन्ग कमिटमेंट सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट द टाइम डॉक्टर एंड वो होता है ना आपने हमारी पाठशाला लगाई बट इट वाज सो एजुकेशनल आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू यू
Thank you for having me.
To listen to the complete conversation, click on the link in the description given below.